Let's take a look at what's new in SAP Business One 10.0 Feature Package 2608 in the areas of accounting, payments, and cross-module topics. In SAP Business One Web Client, the Create BP Internal Reconciliations, Apply Transactions, and Internal Reconciliations apps are now available in the Business Partners group. Similar apps are also available for internal GL account reconciliation in the Accounting group. Let's look at an example of creating an internal reconciliation for business partners. Enter a reconciliation date, a business partner, and choose Go. You've just received a payment for several invoices and want to post this transaction. Choose Create Adjustments and select Create Incoming Payment. In the Incoming Payment, select Payment on Account and enter the amount you've received. Specify the payment means and add the incoming payment. To reconcile the selected transactions, which now include the payment, review the Amount to Reconcile field and choose Manually Reconcile. Now that the transactions are reconciled, you can select a document and view its previously applied transactions. You can also automatically reconcile. Define matching rules and choose Reconcile. The auto reconciliation is successful. These apps let you manage internal reconciliations efficiently and with ease. In SAP Business One Web Client, the new Payment Run app is now available in the Payments group. This app helps you create and manage payment runs and process payments in batches. To get started, open the new Payment Run app. In the General step, enter the payment run details, select the required payment options, specify the minimum payment amounts, and define the basis for the payment due date. In the Selection step, define the criteria for the transactions to include in the run by selecting a due date range, setting cash discount criteria as needed, and selecting the relevant business partners. In the Recommendation step, review the proposed payment documents, check the details, and adjust discounts as needed. You can review any non-included transactions. You can also add manual rows to include any ad hoc payments. You can save the parameters, save the recommendations, or execute the payment run immediately or schedule it for a later time. After execution, you can review the payment run results, generate reports, view unselected payments, and cancel the payment run if needed. The Checks for Payment apps help you manage the full check process efficiently, from creation and printing to draft handling, voiding, and status confirmation. Review and manage existing checks in the Checks for Payment list view. You can filter the checks by business partners or accounts. When needed, you can print a single check or batch print multiple checks from the same account directly from the app. Creating a new check is simple. Choose the required Check for Payment option, fill in the fields, and specify the payment amount. In Payment Means, enter the check details and use the Manual Check option when required. You can also maintain reference information and add attachments. If you are not ready to complete the process, simply save the document as a draft and continue later. You can edit drafts or delete those that are no longer required. You can also void checks. In the Check Number Confirmation app, change the status of unconfirmed checks by choosing from the drop-down list options. These apps give you a flexible and efficient way to manage checks for payment. SAP Business One Web Client now makes it easier to plan and coordinate daily work with the Calendar app. This app is available in the CRM, Service, and Human Resources groups, and can also be accessed from the calendar icon. There are 4 flexible display options: day, week, work week, and month. You can easily navigate to another day, week, or month and return instantly to the current date by choosing Today. The calendar displays activities for multiple users in a clear format. Use filters to quickly narrow the view by business partner, project, or user. Creating an activity is simple. Choose Create Activity or choose a specific cell in the calendar. Enter the required fields, choose View More to add other details, and save the activity. You can preview activity details and choose View More to open the detailed view. Another highlight in the web client is that you can drag and drop activities in the calendar to assign them to a different user or time slot. The legend helps you quickly understand activity colors and calendar indicators at a glance. In the Configuration app, you can view calendar settings and working days, as well as create and manage holiday dates. A new project management group is now available in SAP Business One web client. With 6 apps, this group helps you create and manage projects, track issues, analyze stages, allocate resources, and record time entries. In the Project Management app, you can view projects, create new ones, and access related details and analysis. On the General tab, specify the key project details such as the project name, type, business partner, status, start date, and financial project. You can also structure projects in more detail by creating subprojects and defining planned costs. On the Stages tab, you can define stages and tasks, and add related items such as open issues, documents, work orders, and activities for both projects and subprojects. The Summary tab gives you an overview of the financial details for the project and its subprojects. SAP Business One web client helps you manage employee information in a structured and efficient way with the employees and create employee apps. With these apps, you can easily view and maintain key employee details, including absence reports and contact information. The Relationship map provides a clear view of the employee hierarchy, organizational roles, and reporting structures. From here, you can also view existing timesheets or create new ones for accurate time tracking and workforce management. Creating a new employee is equally simple. Enter details such as the user code and sales employee, and also upload a picture. Use the Administration dropdown to access and maintain employee lifecycle details. Enter absence details for multiple days with ease using the duplicate or copy and paste functions. You can manage personal and financial information and upload attachments, such as employee contracts. Save the employee and view the details, including absence information, in the list view. Let's take a look at the enhancements in Process Maps. A new external action type is now available in the Business App dialogs. You can enter a URL in the link field and, optionally, add guidance in the remarks field. The new step is displayed in the map. After you confirm the warning message, the URL opens in a new browser tab. The process map now supports additional business objects. User-defined objects, or UDOs, are now available in the Business Object dropdown of the Business Step dialogs for the Create and Manage action types. Thanks a lot for watching. Now it's time to try out these new features for yourself.